How to edit videos on Snapchat. Editing videos on Snapchat is actually quite a simple task. All you have to do is first of all launch the Snapchat app and just record a certain portion of the video right here. Now, once you record for a certain period of time, depending on what you want to edit, on the right hand side you'll find different toolbars. The T1 indicates that you can add any sort of text in any sort of style, even an AI caption. Right here you'll find another option that will allow you to highlight or anything or write anything just like that. Otherwise, you can also go to this cut icon to cut it. You can add a custom music if you want to. You can just use some kind of lens or filters above this video. Similarly, you can go ahead and then add some quotes or anything that you want to transcribe your audio to. You can add a voiceover, you can add some retouch, you can add some type of links, whatever else it is that you want to feature there. You can crop it or you can also loop it. And if you want to, then you can either just save this to your gallery or you can send this as a snap to other people. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next.